let's tackle some Billy Joel today with an easy arpeggio, an easy riff, and easy sixth that we can create the famous interlude from Billy Joel's The Piano Man. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on Piano every Thursday. Well, I hope you've had a great Christmas season and holiday and are ready to jump into some more piano tutorials, checking out arpeggios and blues and riffs and lots of fun creating for the coming year. And just a quick thank you for all of those who have joined me in the last year. I've gone from 600 subscribers to now over 3,000. So that's been so exciting to have you along in the journey, and very grateful too for the original 33 subscribers that I had. So let's dive right in. So we'll begin with the arpeggio on the third note, 1, 3, 5, 8. So in our arpeggio, we have a broken chord that's a repeated pattern, and we're going up here, but starting first on our E or our 3 note. And that's all that it is for Billy Joel, but we can keep that growing and create into a bit of an arpeggio exercise here. We're going our E, then up the chord to our thumb. So practicing our gliding wrist here, and we want to slip our thumb under to the top C. We can grow it again from our E, over, back to the E, and I'll show you all again. Here we go. So E, C, and then we're going to put our thumb to the C at the top there. So E, C, E, G, C, E. So tipping over there to our second finger on our E. Let's do all that again. Down again, back up, and thumb under again. So each time we have our thumb under, we're wanting to keep our wrist fairly still here. So if we just kept it going through, our wrist would just be gliding down, not going up and down there in the movement. One more time from the top, so with our little exercise. E, thumb again, back to the E again, wrist over, and finish there. Let's now do some left hand with the same pattern there. So E, C, E, C, E, down again, E, thumb, and finish there. So let's play again with our E, C, E, G, C. E is our third over. So once again, we want to keep this wrist almost immobile here because our fingers really have to do the work under our hand. So E, C, E, G, C, over, back to our C, up again, over, now back down. E, now thumb under. And now let's put it hands together. So from our E, we'll do our E's here together. Let's do that. So second finger here, third finger here, and then up to our chord. Here we go. C again. E's. Back to E, thumbs. And let's put it back into its original version here. All that we have in our left hand is a C and a G that hold there with our first little mini arpeggio from Billy Joel. That's the first bar. Let's do it again. And onto the second bar, we then have an easy riff that he starts to create with a little looping pattern. So we have our F, and you'll notice that everything is pivoting around the F. So we've got F, C, F, C, F. So back to the F every time. The next bar is a G. Back to the G each time. So G, C, G, C, G. So little looping circles there. From our F again. G. We could keep extending this pattern. A, G, F. So just for fun, we could go to the F, G at the A as well. G, F loop there. Let's do all that together. So F, G pattern, A, G, F, and finish finish there. Now we have the F here with a C and an A here in the left hand, and it just goes up there. So just to play with that extending pattern of the 6, let's just keep our thumb going up there as well with our A in the left hand starting. Here we go. Now to the B, to the C, G, F, and back to the original version, we just have our 2 patterns from our F, G, then we're going to step to some easy 6, so we're going to go down now, down, down, down. So in the right hand it's F, E, D, stepping down. Left hand is the A, step down, step down. You could just repeat those if you wanted. In the left hand with the 6th, 5th, 4th there. The right hand stepping down again, F and A there, here we go. And then we return to the whole pattern once again. So we have our E with the arpeggio, now our F around, G around, 6 stepping down, and all again. And finish on the E there if you like. Well, this month I have some more arpeggios coming up for some classical ideas and also some themed pieces as well. If you missed any of the videos from my last easy improv series, then I'll link those here together as well. Have a great week and happy music making. Ta-da!